Very good afternoon. It's just about afternoon, so technically it's still good morning. I think we're 10 minutes away from the noon. I'm very happy to be here because this is my maiden interaction with all of you, such a large crowd, a group of people. Of course, I've met very few of you here one-on-one when I made some branch visits, and hopefully over the year I think I will ensure that I meet all of you in your work locations as well. Now, the reason I just thought I will say we will win is because it struck me yesterday when I was just opening the shirt to see whether it fits me, because I'm very lean and skinny, so more often than not the shirts are very loose. And then my son actually read one part and he said it's only V. And then it struck me that we actually have in Vistar, we have a V, which is very good. We don't start Vistar with an I, which is basically the essence of teamwork. And then you also have a star there. So it is we are stars. So I think that's where Vistar is there. So I think the founding fathers or the founders actually believed in teamwork and in people even before they started their business. And I don't think any organization can actually be so proud of the fact that you have a V and you also have a star in its name. I think we must give ourselves a big clap once again. Yeah. Basically, I think there are three things that we all believe is important for us: the right people, the right process, and of course, productivity that comes from the people who follow the right processes. When I say people, right people for the right job, Aspiring Minds is one organization that's doing the help that we wanted from them in terms of providing us a psychometric test and quantitative and a logical test, which we are now applying very stringently for the CRO hiring. And I'm sure my HR spots with the managers here will agree that we believe that this will reflect in the quality of manpower that we have over time. Because at this point in time, we believe that we want to have the best people with us. We have always had the best people with us, but we believe there's always scope for improvement. And that's where we felt that if we have this test that we apply at the point that we select our people, there is that much more a scientific decision that happens to a selection process. Obviously, that will pay off in the quality of people and therefore in the way they work and the productivity that the company will achieve over time. The other important element under people that we think is important for us is learning, training as we often call. The Vistar Vishwavidyalaya is not just a training institution. It is something that's been conceived by the organization even before I came on board, essentially aimed at creating a pipeline of talent so that we have an opportunity for everybody to grow in the organization. We are starting our maiden program for the ABMs on the 18th of this month, and we will be having programs around the year, over years, to ensure that we beef up the skills and the competencies of all our people here so that we have as much as possible internal talent that will move into senior level positions as we grow. As an organization, as we grow, I'm sure there are going to be new vistas, new opportunities for us. And the Vistar Vishwavidyalaya is going to actually be the platform which is going to fuel the people that we want through the various programs that we are going to run under the initiative of the Vistar Vishwavidyalaya.